Hello, my name is Jimena Gonzalez.
And my name is Natalia Treviño, and in this collaborative activity,
We're going to teach you how to derivate the next problem.
in order to find the derivative of this function, you need to first find the derivative of this term. To solve this, remember that you need to use the chain rule. In order to do that, you need to find the derivative of what's inside the parentheses. In this case, you need to remember that the derivative of a to the power of u is equal to u prime natural log of a parentheses a to the power of u. Now you can proceed to use the chain rule. In this case, you're gonna multiply 4 times the term inside the parentheses, remembering to subtract 1 from the power. Now multiply that times the derivative of what's inside the parentheses. Now that you've done that, remember to multiply the 4 times the term that does not have an exponent. And this is the derivative of this part of the function.
So now we're gonna check the derivative of the subtraction, which is the root of 7 minus 6 cotangent of x. Now for this part, we can eliminate the root and making it to the power of 1/2. So it's gonna be 7 minus 6 cotangent of x to the power of 1/2, and then we can make the chain rule. So we take down the 1/2, 1/2, and then 7 minus 6 cotangent of x, and then we need to subtract 1 to the 1/2, so it's going to be minus 1/2 times the derivative of what's inside. So it's going to be 6 cosecant squared of x. So here, as we know, we can't have the power of something in negative, so we have to take that down. So it's going to be 7 minus 6 cotangent of x, but remember the 1/2, so we can take down the 2. So it's going to be multiplying it, and then the 6 cosecant squared of x, we can take it to the upper part because it's 1/2 times 6 cosecant squared of x. And then here we can change the 7 minus 6 cotangent of x to the power of 1/2 to the root because it's the same. And then here we can simplify the 6 over 2 by just changing it to 3 cosecant squared of x over the square root of 7 minus 6 cotangent of x. And that's all.
Finally, this should be your result.